Yo, what up? It's Ricky Wanzetto Jr. here for My Tornado Wood Burnings Part 6. It's been a while, which was over 15 months ago when I was at my 300th tornado wood burning, and I had made it to the year 2000. Since then, I've been over 400 tornado wood burnings, and I just got done with the year 2011, which was crazy. So we'll take a tour of what I've done so far. All right. There's the first one, as you know, and there's my walls and the floor, out of wall space. But yeah, and the 300th one's about right there. And big thing about today, we're gonna be going over. There's some non-tornado wood burnings that I do. Oh, the TIV, or TIV. So, all right. So I've since then in this little room I've started stacking them. Since I'm out of wall space and all that. 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. There's a funnel cloud over Egypt in December of 2006. 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, and here we go, 2011. Yep, Joplin tornado and the Tuscaloosa tornado. And I'm just starting on 2012 and onward. I'll give you updates as I go. Thank you very much.